Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to make an old Anglo-Indian favorite, and that's a stuffings curry. That's snake oil or snake gourd stuffed with mince. So there are some procedures to be followed. You'll see what I'm doing. So come, let's get started. So first of all, you need to scrape and cut one long snake gourd into rings. Then you need tomatoes, chopped onions, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander and green chilies. Half a cup of grated coconut. So now grind the coconut and tomatoes together to form a paste. So mix half kilo of mince, which is either beef or mutton, with half a teaspoon each of chili powder, turmeric, coriander and cumin powder. Also with some chopped coriander leaves. Now stuff each ring with the mince, packing tightly. Once you've packed the rings, just keep it aside. Any leftover mince, you make balls with the remaining. Now make a paste of 2 teaspoons chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin with some water. Keep this aside. Now start by heating 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add the onions and the green chilies and fry till light brown. Now you add in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry well till the raw smell goes. Fry till the raw smell goes. This would take around say 3 minutes. Now you add the paste made with the chili powder, turmeric, coriander and cumin and fry this for some time. You can add a little water. If the masala sticks to the pan, fry for some time. At this stage, you can add in the coconut and tomato paste and again fry for some time. Now everything depends on how we are frying because the oil should separate from the mixture. Now add in some coriander leaves and just stir fry for a little while. Then add 1 or 2 cups of water and salt and bring it to boil. Once it reaches a boiling point, you slowly start adding your stuffed snake gourd pieces carefully so that the mince doesn't come out of the snake gourd, and the remaining mince that you made into balls, drop them all carefully and then cover with a lid and cook on low heat for around 15 minutes till the gravy is thick, and if you need to thicken the gravy, do so, and the mince is cooked inside. So our stuffed snake oil curry is ready. You could serve it with coconut rice. Tastes very well. So if you like this video, please like and share it. And as always, I ask you, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.